I want to talk about the difference between image size and canvas size. So if I go up here to image from my main menu, I can see there's an option for image size and canvas size. If I go to image size, that's the window that we were working with in the last practices last week about resolution. And it tells me how many pixels my image is per inch and how many total pixels I have, or I could change my units to inches. So when you start out with an image, your image size and your canvas size are actually the same. I'm going to go up to image now and choose canvas size, and you're going to see the same numbers that I had under image size. So adjusting my image size, what we did last week, is going to adjust the size that my image is going to print out. So if I want to make it smaller or larger based upon how I change the resolution. If I adjust my canvas size though, my image is going to stay the exact same size, but the printable area can increase. So for example, this is currently 10 inches by 13 inches or a little bit more. If I increase my width of my canvas to, let's say, 13 inches, and I click OK, you can see I now have this extra border here, this extra printable area. I'll open up my history panel and undo that step and go back up here, image, canvas size, and this time I'm going to do it, I'm going to increase, so I'm going to change this number, I'm going to add 3 inches to both, and I'll make this one, it's closer to 17 inches. And notice down here I have an anchor point. And that is telling me that the new inches are going to come out evenly dispersed all around. My current image is going to stay right in the middle. It's also telling me that the color of this canvas is going to come in at whatever I have selected for my background, which is currently white. But I could choose whatever I have selected in my foreground, which if you look in my color palette is blue. I have some standards, or if I choose other, I get the color picker. And I can choose some other kind of bright color, something else. Just for the sake of example, I'll use this color. And now you can see this is kind of a neat way to create a little bit of a frame to your picture. This is also very useful to know because if you shoot a picture with your camera that's not one of the standard size for printing, such as a 4x6, a 5x7, an 8x10, and you want to keep your image the size it is, but add a little bit of canvas so nothing is cropped and it prints out, you can just go up to image, canvas size, and add the canvas that you want to bring it to its original size. I'm going to undo all of this, go back up to my history panel, and give you another example of when you might want to increase your canvas size. This time I'm going to just increase it on my width. I'm going to double my width, so I'll just round up and I'll make it 21 inches, but I only want the width to come in on the right hand side, the new canvas. So I'm going to anchor my canvas by clicking here in the anchor. I'm going to click onto the left side, which means my image is going to stay on the left, and the new 10 inches will come in to the right. And I'm going to click OK. And now I have this new area here. And in the next video, I'm going to talk about selecting images from one document and pasting them into another, and that's what I'll do, is I'll paste another one over here.